Hello students, welcome to Jobs and Education. This is your Mahesh Dole. Guys, in today's video, I would like to give you some important tips to crack the GATE examination. Especially for mechanical engineering students, I'll give you so many tips because we have only 1 month time. Feb 3rd is the exam date for GATE examination. So to crack GATE examination, it is very important to cover all the subjects. Guys, firstly let me go with the syllabus of mechanical engineering for GATE examination. Everyone thinks that I know every subject. For example, I've come across mechanics, strength of materials, or theory of machines, or fluid mechanics. Like this everyone thinks. But the truth is that we do not have deep knowledge into every subject here. So that's why this is the toughest examination. There is a huge competition throughout India because IITians will come, Central University students will come, NIT students will come, State University students will come. So from every engineering institute, they'll appear for GATE examination. That's why it is very difficult in India. So, but let me go with the syllabus first. According to GATE 2024 syllabus, the subjects are divided into 3 parts. The first part is applied mechanics and design. In second part is fluid mechanics and thermal sciences. In the third part is materials, manufacturing and industrial engineering. So all these subjects combined together as applied mechanics and design, like engineering mechanics, strength of materials, theory of machines, vibrations and machine design. All these 5 subjects come under applied mechanics and design. Coming to second part, fluid mechanics and thermal sciences. Fluid mechanics, heat transfer, thermodynamics and its application. So we can call it as thermal engineering. So this comes together as fluid mechanics and thermal sciences. Coming to third part, here it is materials, manufacturing and industrial engineering. So this subject consists of engineering materials, casting, forming and joining processes, machining, machine tool operations, metrology and inspection. CIM is nothing but computer integrated manufacturing and production planning control, inventory control and operations research. These all are the subjects of the mechanical engineering for GATE examination. Overall around 17 subjects are there, but they divide into 3 different parts. One is applied mechanics and design, and next is fluid mechanics and thermal sciences, and next is materials manufacturing and industrial engineering. So this is about the syllabus of the mechanical engineering for GATE examination. Let me go deep into this. What are the different topics are there in each subject? Guys, let's enter into the first subject, engineering mechanics. In engineering mechanics, we have topics like friction, free body diagram and equilibrium, and we have like centroid, center of gravity, moment of inertia, and we have like impulse and momentum. We have like kinematics and dynamics of rigid bodies, Lagrange's equation. This kind of topics are there in engineering mechanics. Those are very, very important. Guys, one important suggestion from my side is that whatever the topic we are taking, we should go with the 360 degrees of the topic. For example, this is one of the topic. So regarding this, we have to cover everything. What is the meaning of this? What are the types are there? What are the advantages? What are the disadvantages? What are the applications? What are the principles, formulae? So regarding this topic, we have to go 360 degrees. Then only we can solve the answers or solutions in the GATE examination. Guys, this second subject is mechanics of materials. In our own words, we can call it as strength of materials. Sometimes it is called as mechanics of solids. Guys, in mechanics of materials, the very basic topic is that stress and strain and Hooke's law, elastic constants, Poisson's ratio. We have shear force and bending moment, compulsory question. So without shear force and bending moment, you cannot see the question paper even. So torsion is there, deflection is there, Mohr circle is there. So these kind of topics are very, very important from the mechanics of materials or strength of materials. Guys, next subject is theory of machines. In theory of machines, the important topics are displacement, velocity and acceleration analysis of plane mechanisms, dynamic analysis of cams, gears, gear trains, flywheels, governors. So this kind of important topics are there in theory of machines. Next subject is vibrations. In vibrations, the important topics are single degree of freedom, free vibration, forced vibration, effect of the damping, resonance. So these kind of topics are very important from the vibration. Guys, next subject is machine design. In this machine design, the important topics are design for static and dynamic loading, failure theories, and design of different design of machine elements like clutches, gates, bolts, nuts, rivets, bearings. This all comes under machine design. Guys, next subject is fluid mechanics. In fluid mechanics, we can see fluid properties, continuity equation, Bernoulli's equation, flow through pipes, and a different type of fluids like Newtonian, non-Newtonian, Nusselt number, Reynolds number, Prandtl number. Those kind of topics are very important from the fluid mechanics point of view. Guys, next subject is heat transfer. The important topics in heat transfer are LMTD, NTU methods and modes of heat transfer like conduction, convection and radiation, and heat transfer through fins. This kind of important topics are there from heat transfer. Let's move to the thermodynamic subject. In thermodynamic subject, we know that thermodynamic properties, system, thermodynamic laws like zeroth law of thermodynamics, first law of thermodynamics, and second law of thermodynamics, and different tables and charts. We have Mollier diagram. So that kind of charts and tables. So and their applications, thermodynamic applications like refrigeration and air conditioning, compressors, so etc. So this is very important to score marks. Let's move to the engineering materials. In engineering materials, we have different topics like phase diagrams regarding material properties like hardness, stiffness, toughness, fatigue, creep, that kind of material properties. And we have different tests, hardness test, fatigue test, impact test, etc. Let's move to this casting, forming and joining processes subject. In this subject, the important topics are types of casting, hot and cold working processes, welding, soldering, brazing. So these kind of topics are very important from this subject. Next subject is machining, machine tool operations. By this we can clearly understand machine tool operations. Machine tools are required, single point and multi-point cutting tools, basic machine tools, and also jigsaw fixtures, NC and CNC machines. All this comes under machining and machine tool operations. Guys, next subject is metrology and inspection. Very important. So this metrology deals with the limits, fits and tolerances, linear and angular measurements, CMM. These all are very important. Moving to the SIM, computer integrated manufacturing. So CAD and CAM, computer aided design and computer aided manufacturing, and also additive manufacturing. Nowadays we are dealing with 3D printing and 4D printing also coming. So additive manufacturing is also very important from SIM, computer integrated manufacturing. Guys, in this production planning control subject, the important topics are production planning, scheduling, forecasting methods, and also material requirement planning. Those are very important. Coming to inventory control subject, in this we know that inventory control methods are there different. So from that economic order quantity and deterministic models, those are very important. And coming to operations research, from this operation research we can go through network models like CPM and PERT. So these all are important topics we need to concentrate more in this less time, because we have only 1 month time to cover all these subjects. Guys, now I would like to give you the weightage of each subject, then we can understand what subjects are very very important to cover in this less time. Let's see, from engineering mechanics at any cost we can expect 4 marks. From mechanics of materials we can expect more than 10 marks. Theory of machines and vibrations मिलके दोनों मिलके 8 marks. So machine design is going to give you 6 marks. So 4 marks from mechanics, 10 marks from mechanics of materials, 8 marks from theory of machines and vibrations, and machine design 6 marks. The weightage of fluid mechanics is 6 marks, and this heat transfer is 7 marks, and this thermodynamics and applications around 10 marks. Guys, coming to manufacturing, if you see all these subjects, around 15 marks we are getting from this manufacturing, and around 6 to 7 marks from this industrial engineering. So this is the weightage of all the subjects. If you see here, this manufacturing engineering is giving more marks, 15 marks we are getting here, and 10 marks from thermal engineering, and 10 marks from mechanics of materials, around 8 marks from theory of machines and vibrations. So these are the important subjects to score more marks in the GATE examination. We have to concentrate on the manufacturing engineering, thermal engineering, mechanics of materials or strength of materials, and design of machine, theory of machines and vibrations. So after that you can see remaining subjects also, which are like fluid mechanics, easiest subject,